It's the Grinch. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel, CaliReddGlam, and welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. If you are new, hit that subscribe button down below and come be a part of the Glam Squad, okay? And every day over here, we are posting for Vlogmas, okay? And also on my shorts here on YouTube, I am posting my countdown to Christmas. So every day I'm posting on both parts for long form and the shorter form as well. And thank you to my Glam Squad for returning, okay? It's a cold morning again, you guys, and I'm coming to y'all with dry lips. Yeah, I washed my face and stuff, and I did not put any lip gloss on or chapstick, okay? I stayed up super late last night. I ended the vlog yesterday, but I ended up staying up, and it was pretty much because I needed to clear off all that mess. I was supposed to clean up right after I finished the restart of the vlog, but I didn't. I was watching a lot of my faves Vlogmases. On the agenda today, okay, finishing up house decor again. You already know that, Drew. That should even like go without saying. My baby girl last night, y'all saw them putting up the bow. You guys will see all that later when I do like the full tour. Accepting my Mr. Coffee today. I said it was coming today. It said, you know, the next day. It said on Walmart, you know how it says, oh, if you order it within this certain amount of time, it should come tomorrow. So hopefully it comes today. Yes, you guys, I will see you guys later. I have transferred from this morning vlog from my room to the car, dropped the kids off, and my baby girl wants to go to Michael's because, of course, she want to look for stuff for her room. So we're going to go snoop around in there. Last night, you guys saw me go to Ross when I restarted my vlog, and my baby girls were with me, and she saw a little something inside of Ross that she wanted. So I'm rushing back this morning to go and buy it. I told you guys I lost $25 inside of Ross yesterday. Lost $25. I was really upset. And I'm like, and I knew I lost it because all of my other bills in my purse were flat, and I had crumbled, like rolled up, and sort of pretty much, kind of not really crumbled, but rolled it and folded the $20 and the $5 bill. And when I saw that I didn't have the $5 bill, that really confirmed that I know for sure that I lost it, and somebody picked it up for sure. I'm doing a little bit of Christmas shopping. So I won't be able to haul you guys. So I cleared off the table. I just put it all back together. It was so much glitter over it. It was crazy. So now it's back to normal. And these two dishes are sitting here because I'm going to put peppermints in here when I go to the store and get some. Because, of course, it's at the dining room table when you're done eating all the oniony, garlicky things that we cook. Have peppermints here for the holiday. So anyway, it's back to normal. We're back to normal. I just took a little break out to do this. And then now I'm getting back to editing again. But I just wanted to show y'all, like, okay, we're back clear. Because you guys saw all the mess. And I was still like that for like a whole entire, like, 3 to 4 days, I believe. So we're back. Also, I would have filmed myself clearing this off and did like a quick montage. But I don't have enough space to do all that. And I had too many things on the table. Everything's done. And I'm going to get back to editing. Editing, and I still have like 40-something minutes to go, okay? It's like, will it ever end? No. But I'm getting ready to hot glue gun this back because the butt came off. I already hot glue gunned this one last year. This one fell off, and this one fell off. I finally cleared off my countertop. Well, I didn't clear it, but I have everything like organized. Ready to make a little special hot cocoa recipe. All right, we're gonna put the bark in there. We're gonna let that warm up. And then as it warms up, I'm going to put a little bit of milk in there and stir that around.
He know how to push my buttons. I be throwing the fit. I be missing when he gone, hate when he all in the mix. He don't believe all the lies, cause all of them counterfeit. And he put a dose of his love on me and I can't resist. I can admit that life is crazy, life is a trip.
When I tell you it smells so good, half a candy cane, right in the side. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let me take a picture of this. This needs to be a picture. This is the best peppermint candy cane scented candle that you will ever buy. And it's by Vlogmas. It's called Crushed Candy Cane. It gives the peppermint scent without too much of that strong burny scent, and it gives like sweet candy, you know, and it's not too crazy. I love this one. It's like it's something mixed in with it that definitely doesn't give off that too burnty peppermint scent like most peppermint candles do have. So I love this, and I bought the mini one, and it's like literally all the way down because I've used it for like maybe 2 years. And so last year I did not really burn it. I just sat it out. I probably burned it once and I sat it out, and I only burned it just to do an intro style video. I'm heating up my hot glue gun so I can start on this and then get right back to editing. But I just wanted to make me a cup of hot cocoa because I've been wanting to make it this way for a little bit. And it's also going to wake me up. It's a little bit of caffeine in there. I was up super late till like 3 o'clock in the morning.
Looking alive, feeling alive. I got no complaints. Got no complaints.
We are about to put a couple of more decorations. I'm gonna take another break off of editing. What a right time, it's the right time to rock the night away. My baby girl did these last night with some garland. I'm gonna put another little small garland over this, like a little red pepperminty kind of wonderland kind of little situation. The stick pins are already in there from last year. It's the Grinch. You look good. Thank you for my treat. Come on, let's look for a wreath. I need a wreath. Not that kind.
But the Grinch scared me. I didn't see you.
I'm looking like, oh my God. I said I have to get a video. And then you're not supposed to say nothing. That's so funny. I like how she didn't say nothing.
The Grinch?
Yeah. Everything is 60% off. This is cute. I like this. But don't you usually want a present that look like wide? Look at that one. That one is cute. I like this. Okay. So you have 30% off right now?
For me.
Oh, that's messed up. This aisle is cute, peppermint. Oh, cute. I like that one. I like this one too. Not this one, but I just thought it was cute. Look at this one. This one is pretty. How much they want for this one? It's not cute. Okay, the ones I'm looking at, I don't like them. All right, you guys, I got the window down. I went inside of Michael's. Unfortunately, that line was way too long. And also, you guys, what about the Grinch? So it's been way later, y'all. Look at y'all. Look, it looked like Christmas threw up in my house. Look, y'all. And I told y'all I'm a bow girl, so bows everywhere. And I'm listening to Nicki Minaj albums. I was trying to get a video up today. It was literally is a problem. Okay, so finally got it up. Working on my little shorts. I'm doing the countdown to Christmas for my shorts. Actually, we about to go run to Dollar Tree because our Dollar Tree stay up until 10. So